Oh, hi, my name is Miles. I'm the producer slash cameraman.
Hi, my name is Jeremiah, and I am co-host number 2.
Hi, my name is Eddie. I'm co-host number 1. I'm Jenna, and I'm the script holder.
I'm Jairus Taylor, and I'm the main host.
And we are the announcement team.
Panthers, get excited. Next week, December 12th through 16th, is our very merry holiday week. We have a great week planned with dress-up days and lunchtime activities.
Also next Monday, we will be starting our canned food drive that will go from the 12th to Wednesday, the 14th. Support your community by donating a can to your first period teacher.
Panthers, please join us for our Winter Wonderland holiday dance, hosted by ASB on Friday, December 9th, 3:15 through 5:15 p.m. under the pavilion. Entry is $2 for one student, or bring a friend and pay $3 for 2 students. Food tickets are 50 cents each. You can wear your favorite Christmas jammies. Remember, Panther all dress code rules are still apply.
This week, Wednesday, December 7th, our club has 2 events. If you purchase the butter braid pastry, they will be ready for you and pick up right after school in C47. Students and staff who participated, be prepared to get your pastry in the freezer within 2 to 3 hours. Our club will not have any on the regularly scheduled in-person meeting this week due to the butter bread pastry delivery. Our club is also hosting our meeting, and it's the first virtual cooking family night, Wednesday evening from 5:30 to 7 o'clock. This event is open to all Mountain View students and staff. We will be making the pineapple upside-down cake together. The link to the virtual meeting will be posted in the Art Club Google Classroom stream. Use the code on the screen to join.
Remember, Panthers, every Wednesday is a Paw Point Wednesday. Receive points for demonstrating your pride on campus and turn that hard work into rewards through the PBIS portal on your Chromebooks. All items are delivered at the end of the week on Friday to your 6th period.
On Monday and Thursdays, we have our homework club to help with assignments. To room B9 for the 6th grade. The classroom is open between 3 and 4 p.m. Check it out if you need help with homework. We continue to have math tutoring every week in Portable 7 for 6th grade and C35 for the 7th and 8th graders. The days are Tuesday and Thursday from 3 to 4 p.m. As the semester ends, make sure you are getting the help you need to be successful.
This Wednesday, December 7th, you can get a free haircut or hairstyle from expertly trained hairstylists and barbers. Those will take place from 12:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. in the NPR. You can go to your teacher's Google Classrooms and complete and submit the interest form to participate in this event. Once you complete and submit the interest form, we will call you in and give you a permission form that must be signed by a parent or guardian and returned to Mr. Williamson in the counseling office by December 6th. We look forward to seeing you and your new hairstyle.
Oh,
that was
Bye.